Bring her around and see how she feels. I can slide some trims if you need.
Need some down. Oh, I need some real bad left. Real bad left.
Get it straight.
There, yeah. No, I can't see it. I can't see it.
Settle down, Tim. You got plenty of altitude. You just
Yeah, throttle back a little bit. You don't need all that power.
Okay, it's going left real bad. Did you hit
I
it?
got it. I got it. I got
Okay.
plenty of altitude now. I can get with
Behind us.
Yeah.
Turn left.
It's right there. You're coming right. It's coming right.
let's lose about half that altitude.
And about a third of that throttle.
Yeah, pull back a little bit. All right.
That's about right. Starting to feel familiar?
Is the trim feeling good?
it. Better than it was.
Okay.
You're doing fine.
A little too much aileron.
Try to keep it from going behind us. You got a
How's your
great
elevator?
big field out in front of you.
Yeah, keep it. Yeah,
Okay, I'm going to go back around and do my right-hand turns because I'm having.
you're nervous as a
Yeah.
whore in church, aren't you?
You bet I am.
Now I want to tell you something. Well, I'm not going to tell you nothing while you fly. You just fly.
Yeah, you can make the right hand circuit.
Looking kind of pretty.
Is it getting to where you can fly hands off?
Not yet.
Okay. Take it more out to the east to make your right hand turns.
Hey, we can see it now, Monroe.
Yeah.
Get that airplane.
Yeah. Still keeps trying to come back here behind me.
It does. I'm trying to not let it do that.
Trying to get this, trying to figure out what I need to do next.
How's your train?
Still wants to go. I went too far down now.
You go up a little. You want me to click a couple ups?
No, I think I got it this time.
Okay.
You still haven't went out far enough to the east.
Okay.
Heartbeat
Yeah, take it right and then let it run out there straight to the east for a ways. You've been cranking it back pretty soon, like let it, see right there, you're coming back again. There you go, take him out to the east. Oh my gosh.
Can you see it good?
What I like to do.
I'll be gentle with other people's airplanes.
Okay.
I just want to see it here. Feel it.
Looking good, guys.
I'm not doing nothing but flying it still, buddy.
Good.
Okay.
All right.
How's it feel to you?
It looks like
Pretty
it's
good.
looking
It
good.
doesn't feel too responsive.
The ailerons?
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, aileron.
I'm going to slow her down.
Okay.
You never know, I might land it.
Yeah. If you do, that's fine.
Maybe not. It might be going too fast. Might be too high.
It sounds good.
Yeah, it does.
Ah, it's a pretty plane, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
I smelled it a little.
I did too.
All right, I'm going to land it.
Okay,
I got
okay.
a good feel for it.
Okay.
Go out a little bit.
It'll idle slow.
Okay, coming down.
I can do that.
Let me get up here.
That's all. Okay, that's probably all I need to do. All right. If so, go back around again.
Just gonna make a pretty landing with your airplane.
That's fine.
Good.
There we go. Okay.
Thanks for letting me fly. Now here's Norbert and